hotter. Hotter, hotter, hotter. Where them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter, hotter. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter, hotter, hotter.
Hi, I'm Crystal from Island-Wide Express. Cyber Monday is fast approaching. Cyber Monday, for those of you who don't know, is the Monday after Black Friday. And the deals on the internet are super. Sites like Amazon and Victoria's Secret are having huge discounts. Just a reminder to shop early so we can ship and deliver all your packages on time. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video.
Bless up on the self viewers and subscribers, man. Big up, man. I don't know, so they're attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So viewers and subscribers, right now I'm going to talk about this story now, people, and it's about an incident that took place in Jamaica yesterday, Friday, people, early in the morning, sometime after 1 a.m. people, and it is where a 68-year-old man was set ablaze. People was set on fire, and boy, may I tell a Jaja, only Jah sees and knows also a man heart at Jamaica cruel and wicked. But we know the people, so we are some cruel man at Jamaica, some wicked heart man people, because it seems like the man them a take some pill or them a smoke some things on a normal. You get what me say, people? Because to me, them man not smoke na table crap, them not smoke na table. Me don't know what to say, people. Them a smoke something where different. We are different. They might take some things with different people to give them some heart where just heartless. So, well, people, this brother here now, who is 68 years old, who them say is from an address, people, in Britain, in Portmore. So, them say now, people, this man was at an address in Kingston at a location and found himself in a back of a truck asleep. Well, news never come to NEWLINK if the truck was an abandoned truck, or you know what I mean, or a truck where park up with somebody occupy the truck and maybe gone somewhere, people. But them said this man was in the back of the truck sleeping, people, when a man come up towards them, people, with a fiery substance, like a liquid substance, and threw it upon him. When him wake up, people, the man just comes a boom and lights up and set him ablaze. Then the man ran off, people. They said that the man now with the fire and him managed to come to roll himself and run because a police station was close by and go towards the police station, people, and the police then comes to boom now and rush him towards the hospital. And viewers and subscribers, them said the man received burn 100% over his body, and the doctor them say right now this man have a lucky chance if he do make it out, people, because right now him a batter for life, people. You get me? To the amount of burns he receive, it hard for him make it, people. And for no one say, is a man, see the man in the back of the truck asleep, people. I don't know if you say, yo, who if a some idle man just see him in there asleep, because viewers and subscribers, as I tell you, I know you have a lot of idle people. You understand? We see a man, maybe you think the man not no sense of answer mine or something, people, and maybe take it as joke, take it as fun for just like the man. This is another joke thing, people, a serious thing. Zane, and I just saw it quick, the man 68-year-old, you know, in the back. If the man in a somebody truck, then if a year truck, if a somebody who idle or something, then or you know want him in the truck, why can I get something static and lick him on his foot or something? Zane, why could there be something else I do to him? But boy, John, know people. Me not know if the man do something to somebody. You get what me I say, people? Me not know the full cause, but me I say this is not the way how to angle things. This is not the way how to deal with a situation. Zane, fire one wicked something, you know, people. Just imagine when the fire burn all this man and they just burn him skin and him run and roll himself, people, and he can't out. When they close, they catch a fire upon his skin. And he managed to rush to the police station, people, and receive burn 100% time body. That means him face, you know, him hear everything, you know, from him toe go right up, people. You see him? Jaja. So what me I tell the people, where mankind art there? Where is the art of mankind? coming on down to the end of this year, people. We know so we see some vicious and some gruesome things throughout this year 2020. It's one of the most wickedest year when me ever see, people. You understand? Even though it is not the bloodiest year in Jamaica with crimes, it's not the highest rate here, but we are talking about some of the most cruelest death we see happen towards our own brothers and sister, people. From the other day when we see them and them strike people and come to boom and take out the two little ones them plus grandma people, me say everything changing in my mind thinking, everything changing in my mindset, people. Me I pray them man are different. Me I pray them youths are different. Me I pray them anybody who they behind them something me people. Zine and for sure I say the man them just not no heart. Anywhere them go, I just saw them a strike people, them just a deal with things, so them just a get rid of people. So yo, AN0THER, people, I see things like them happen before. Enough time I say where man will come so boom and tired and maybe then come so boom then go party. You understand? Enough of the man them in the street because you have a lot of man in the street, people. They homeless and think them now in the house. And sometimes when come so boom go and shop pizza, go drop asleep and just get some cardboard and spread and make them bed. Worse a COVID time, worse you know say curfew you go on and the man maybe find a local place to so because if him take a taxi go home, if I so be the case, he can't take a taxi because maybe late catch him on the road and him see the local truck park up there so and him decides say I go sleep in the people. But me not think of the owner really do that, people. Me think of somebody else who maybe in a something with this man, some idle person or something. See the man in the truck asleep, people. Maybe the truck is a truck we park up, but license plate and everything and the truck, you know. Some don't know what the full is or what really are going car. Maybe it's a broke down truck. But the truck literally burn up to people. You understand? AN0THER, as me can tell the people, man, them man are tough, them man are wicked. Zane, news never come to NEWLINK said the man was a madman. News never come to NEWLINK said the truck was an abandoned truck. News never come to NEWLINK said the truck is a driving truck and the driver in there. So, but the news as a people, the man comes a boom, go in at the truck, the back there so make him look a bed comfortable and in there asleep. When he comes a boom and feel something, wet him up, people, and when him look is a man over him and by the time if he comes and get up people, the man make one strike and I eat that. Straight fire burn up the man's skin. The man start run and bawl and moan and groan while the other man run gone who set him ablaze. Zine? Yo, people, not just no shadow after dark. Zine, not just nobody, and that's why NEWLINK as a people don't let your head back careless. You know what I mean? If you come to boom and feel tired and you see time I catch up, try get that taxi there before time reach and just reach where you go. You know what I mean? Because it can be anybody in this case, people. Because me go through things already with me, they are Jamaica already. Go party, you know, you understand, coming at the morning now if I get a taxi if I go up on my black people. When I come, no taxi at the time, the early in the morning. And me come so boom, no one go on one side and go chill and cool out and relax till me just find myself a daylight when me come so boom and see I open up people. You don't even know when I drop asleep. And for no say a man comes so boom, I in a situation people when me being tired or something. You understand? Me don't know if I just say I'm feeling look a bedroom, because I can't be way off this as in look a ends when sleep at night time and thing until in the weekend in guy original home because as me tell the people, each from my address from Britain, you understand? But they say in a Kingston, me know, you know what I mean? And boy, things just happen. So me look into things people and I say could I be yo, AN0THER. But all me can tell the people, it's them wicked people yeah, who are grown and do wicked things like them, a straight attack for Uno. And anybody who set this man ablaze, anybody who set this man afire, for no reason, for anything, a straight attack for Uno. Zane, 60-year-old man like that, 68 almost 70, do that to the old man. Me say if una the man the man get piece of tick and lick him pan his foot, man, clap him pan his foot, or clap him pan his foot bottom. If he do no something bad, man, if he thief or something, then Zane, give him couple clap pan his foot bottom, but if he comes a boom and light, yo, Jaja. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, people. And I just more love and more respect and more blessings. Remember the attacking bastard and that people. And if you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now and hit up that notification so as NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, people, on Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Peace, love, respect, and be good and be great in the people. And be safe out there. The attacking bastard that peace out. Attack! Some people, see island-wide express people, them are the real deal, and at them NEWLINK I work with. Whether you're the America and you have a family at Jamaica, or you know see you want ship anything to them people, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, island-wide express is the real deal. And here we go now, people. You sit down in the description there, you go see the link them, and you go see the sign up place where you can just come to boom and go sign up. And you see where you say NEWLINK promotions there with island-wide express people. Once you click the sign up and do your sign up, here we go now. Just message customer service through WhatsApp and make them know say you have NEWLINK promotions to sign up from. And here we know, you go get a £5 shipping coupon free, and you have that valid for 30 days. So I eat me, I work with people. You see right now, me I go pop my big box. So with my grocery them, I go send that right then to Jamaica right now through a island-wide express. And them are the real deal. Go in the description and sign up. No, I tap them NEWLINK island-wide express. Them me I work.